Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to create cinematic videos, action videos, ads, branding videos, or storytelling videos just by using a text prompt? If yes, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you an amazing AI tool called YouArt.AI. With UART.AI, you can turn your ideas into visuals very easily. You don't need editing skills. You just chat with AI, write what you want, and it creates the video for you. First, you need to create an account. After logging in, you will see a dashboard like this. In the center, you'll see a prompt bar. Here, you simply type what you want to create. YouArt.AI will automatically select the best AI model for your prompt. Below that, you'll also see some ready-made templates. You can try them if you want or just create your own idea. Now, let me enter a prompt. For example, a young woman sitting in a bright bedroom holding a skincare cream bottle, speaking naturally to the camera like a selfie video. I'll click on Generate, and now the processing will start. First, the AI will start thinking, and then the Helio O2 model will begin processing. This may take a little time, so just wait patiently. And here we go! The video is ready. Let's play it. As you can see, the video looks great, but there is no audio. No problem at all. If I want to add audio, I just type a command like add voiceover and click generate again. This time, UART.AI automatically selects a new model, like Google VO3, to add the voiceover.
Okay, so I've been using this cream for 2 weeks now, and honestly, my skin has never felt this soft. Like, look at this glow.
Now you can see, it has generated a new video with voice according to my command. If you want, you can download the video in full HD quality. This way, you can easily create ad videos, promo videos, or social media content using UART.AI. Now, let's try another example. I enter this prompt. Create a realistic workflow to generate high-quality images of a young woman in a natural lifestyle setting. Again, the AI starts thinking, then runs the workflow, and after some time, it shows the results. Here, you can see multiple images. I'll pick one image, then type a command like generate a video. Now, UART.AI will automatically convert this image into a video. And here you can see, the image is now turning into a smooth AI video. If I want this video in YouTube size, I just type generate in 16:9 size. And that's it. The video is now perfectly sized for YouTube. So yes, it's that simple. You can create high-quality videos, ads, and visuals in just a few clicks using UART.AI. Now I'm going to show you how to create a video from an image using UART.AI. First, I'll upload a reference image. I'm using this curled image as an example. Then, I'll enter my prompt. A girl painting on a canvas with a brush, camera starts close on the brush strokes and slowly pulls back. Once I hit the generate button, UART.AI will automatically start converting the image into a video. First, it will think, then it will go into the processing workflow. This may take a little time, so just wait patiently. After some time, the workflow is complete and our video is ready. As you can see, the video looks amazing. You can also change anything you want, like the duration, resolution, aspect ratio, or even add new effects. All you need to do is type a command, and UART.AI will update the video accordingly. It's that simple. UART make it super easy to turn images into videos, add creative effects, and bring your ideas to life. The link to try it out is in the description below. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.